So good day everyone. So this time we will be tackling about derivative. So determination of the derivative of delta method. So to obtain the derivative of any function, you should follow the following procedures. So the general process as follow. So procedure. So step 1. Replace x by x plus delta x and y by y plus delta y. So if this is the given y is equals to f of x, so we will replace y to y plus delta y and f, and we will replace x by x plus delta x. So that is for the step 1 for the derivation. So for the step 2, so by subtraction, eliminate y, thus obtaining a formula for delta y in terms of x and delta x. So we will be transposing y. So y will be negative. So this will be the equation. Delta y is equals to f of x plus delta x minus y. So delta y is equals to f of x plus delta x minus the um the value of y is f of x. So this is for the step 2 for derivative. Next is step 3. So by some suitable transformation through the right member into a form which contains delta x explicitly as factor. And then for step 4, divide both by delta x. So divide both sides by delta x. So this will be the equation. And for the fifth is we will be determining the limit as delta x approaches to 0. So we will find the limit of the equation when delta x is approaches to 0. So this will be the equation. So derivative of y with respect to x is equals to limit when delta x is approaches to 0. And then so derivative of y with respect to x is limit of the final equation when delta x is approaches to 0. So we will be given one example for derivative. So example, differentiate the y is equals to x cubed minus 2x plus 1. So step 1, we will be replace y by y plus delta y and the x by x plus delta x. So this will be the equation. X plus delta y plus delta y and equals to x plus delta x cubed minus 2 x plus delta x plus 1, and first that next we will be expand this one. So y plus delta y is equals to x cubed 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x squared plus delta x cubed minus 2x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and negative 2 multiplied by positive delta x is negative 2 delta x plus 1. And for the step 2, we will be subtract the y. So we will be transposed y and it will become negative. So this will be the equation. Delta y is equals to x cubed plus 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x squared plus delta x cubed minus 2x minus 2 delta x plus 1 is and negative y. So for the next we will do is write the value of y. So the equation will be delta y is equals to x cubed plus 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x squared plus delta x cubed minus 2x minus 2 delta x plus 1, and then minus x squared minus 2x plus 1. So we will be distribute the negative sign to the value of y. So the answer will be delta y is equals to x cubed plus 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x squared plus delta x cubed minus 2x minus 2 delta x plus 1, and negative multiplied by x cubed will be negative x squared, and negative multiplied by negative 2x will be positive 2x, and negative multiplied by positive 1 will be negative 1. And so we will be combining like terms. So negative 1 and positive 1 is ma-cancel, and then negative 2x and positive 2x will be cancelled, and positive x cubed and negative x cubed will be cancelled. So the remaining will be delta y is equals to 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x squared plus delta x cubed minus 2 delta x. And for the step 4, we will divide it by the both sides with delta x. So delta x and delta x, put delta x and divide. So as we divide the step 5, we will be find the limit of the equation when delta x is approaches to 0. So limit of delta y over delta x when delta x is approaches to 0 is equals to 3x squared plus 3x delta x plus delta x squared minus 2. So from the past module, we learned of the limits and the theorem of limits. So we will be applying the theorem of limits. So limit of 3x cubed plus limit of 3x delta x when the delta x is approaches to 0, and limit of delta x squared when delta x is approaches to 0, and minus limit of 2 when delta x is approaches to 0. So limit of 3x squared when delta x is approaches to 0. And for this one, we will be using the theorem 3, which is the limit of a constant and a function. So 3x limit of delta x when delta x is approaches to 0 plus limit of delta x squared when delta x is approaches to 0, and minus limit of 2 when delta x is approaches to 0. So the 2 is constant, so we will be just copying this. So the equation will be 3x squared. So we will be substituting the delta x when it is approaches to 0. So 3x times 0 plus 0 squared minus 2, so 3x plus 0 minus 2. So the final answer will be 3x squared minus 2. So as we find the derivative of this equation, as we follow the 5 steps, is so very essential. So that will be all for the derivative. Thank you.